Digicel, Flow, and OUR rubbishes local 5G claims.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, said that there is currently no deployment of 5G technology in Jamaica, and none of the existing mobile communication providers has advised of any definite plans for the immediate implementation of this technology. The OUR statement was in response to assertions like this.
See there? Not even dust left on it. You see me? Look real good. Not even dust. This just go up. Not even dust. Right, I put in this one. See there? Right near Ken's, right near Jungle Fire. So, we're gonna start a revolution against this. I don't know about you, but me know about me for sure. So I not visit, I not shop, I not eat, and no way we'll have a 5G pole on it. If you not start a revolution now, when it gonna start? After them kill we? Hell no.
The agency which regulates the telecommunications industry said that regulatory agencies and experts worldwide have reportedly said that there is no connection between 5G technology and COVID-19. Conspiracy theorists say that the radiation from these towers can weaken people's immune system, making them prone to illness. However, the World Health Organization said that after much research, no adverse health effect has been casually linked with the exposure to wireless technologies. Reports are that persons in parts of the world, including Jamaica, have been destroying towers used by telecommunications providers. Meanwhile, in a joint statement released by Digicel and Flow a few weeks ago, they declared that there was no link between 5G and the coronavirus. The joint statement reads as follows. Flow and Digicel are aware of malicious messages and video content that are being circulated referencing 5G technology and linking it to the spread of the coronavirus. To be certain, there is absolutely no scientific or technological proof connecting 5G technology with the spread of the coronavirus. On top of this, neither Flow nor Digicel have deployed any 5G infrastructure on our mobile towers to date. Any reports to the contrary are absolutely false. Our collective focus remains on providing services to new and existing communities across our country. Jamaica is currently navigating through this pandemic, and now, more than ever, connectivity is required to support critical government institutions, businesses, and consumers. Please continue to observe the recommended guidelines from the Ministry of Health and Wellness to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. At a time of heightened fear around the world, we encourage everyone to only rely on information from credible sources so that together we can all stay safe.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.